Hey, what's up, Discord? I wanted to give you this market update over the weekend. So if I take a look here on the S&P 500, I'm noticing that there's two things going on. Right off the bat, let's draw this in as well, that we kind of got this. We're starting to form this really, really tight ascending triangle here. So, but that's going to take a little while to play out if it does. So, because right now we're right up against this edge here. So we're coming up against a support. Now, the question we need to ask is the following. Do we think this is going to break support? So if it breaks support, this 436.12 is the next kind of support line that we're going to be looking at. Although we've hit here, and hit here. And if we look at the dates here, okay, 19th of July, 19th of August, a little early on September, so maybe it bounces and comes back down, or next week is quad witching week, which is when a lot of options expire. So another thing to keep an eye on. There is an Elliott 5 wave in play, but I want you to take a look. So for those of you that say, "Oh, Elliott wave theory is witchcraft," just let's draw this out. Interesting. This 0.618 line just happens to perfectly line up with the 430, the 436.12, the next support line. And if we look down here, oh look, the candle. I didn't draw this out. This is just how it formed. And if you look here, it bounced right on the this one right here. Okay, so for those of you that think that Elliott wave theory is nonsense, I just showed you it's a theory, but it works. Okay, so right now the indicators. Let's take a look at those as well. RSI is coming down. We had the bearish cross on the MACD. Right now things are heading down. Yes, that's true. We're way above the 200 moving average. But if we look here at the Bollinger Bands, that kind of puts us right around where that next line of support would be. So if that does come true, we probably put, we're not. I don't see us coming way down like some other people are saying, but I do see a small correction happening if we do. Now, if we bounce. Ooh, that bounce could be very, very nice. It could go, all the way up to, 480s for that wave 3. But it would, of course, take a few weeks. But so yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing as far as a market update. So right now, I would really like if you guys did not, go into any crazy options right now. That's or YOLO options or things, or if you do, keep a tight stop loss. Like right now is a good time for shares. The market is going to tell us this next week how it's going to go down and what's going to happen. So let's allow the market to tell us what we're going to do. Okay, I don't want to see anyone blow their account or anything like that. So let's make sure we take all of that into account. Okay, so I want to make this video specifically for the S&P 500 market update. Tomorrow I will drop the stock pick in-depth analysis, but I want to make sure I got this video out first so that anybody that wants to watch it all day tomorrow can. So to review, right now this is the third bounce on this support line, which it kind of indicates like, oh, it wants to break through. Well, it keeps going up, and that happened a lot back here. If I draw some lines here, we kind of had that support as well. So and it just kept going up, right? So now the question is, after 5 red days, are we going to see more and more red days? Who knows? So that is why we need to wait to next week to get an idea of direction. I think this could bounce. I think this could go break support, and if it does, that we already know based off of our wave theory where our next the 618 is where we're expecting to come down to. So we're prepared. We know where the next support line is. So I want to make sure you guys are all prepared. So let me put in that line right now. It's right here, 436.12. So just something to be aware of. Just keep an eye on the stuff. Do not jump anything crazy right now, hoping to catch the bottom. You could be catching a falling knife. So that's just something to be aware of. Let's take one quick look at the weeklies. As you can see, the weeklies, we had our red, so it's like I said, on the 19th of every month, it seemed like it's dipping, but let's see what happens. Let's keep a close eye on this. Check indicators here. Top of the Bollinger Band, so we could see this dip down in the middle or even the lower band. RSI is high on the weekly, So everything is pointing to more downside, but it doesn't always happen that way. We could see a bounce. So, all right, I wanted to prepare you guys for that. I'd really like if you guys just were very careful this next week and kept an eye on things. Okay, so that is my weekend update for the S&P 500. All right, take it easy, everybody.